Most products don't break at launch. This happens a year later, when the architecture starts straining under real users. The roadmap suddenly needs AI, and the engineers who built everything are buried in the next release. Sound familiar? Let's walk through the best product engineering companies for 2026. Teams that can help you rebuild, scale, and stay with the product as it grows. Softonix focuses on long-term product engineering for startups and SaaS businesses that need to scale or modernize a product without losing what already works. With a senior-led team, the company rebuilds early-stage products for scale and embeds dedicated engineers who run as a lasting extension of your in-house organization. First deliverable within 2 weeks, backed by a money-back guarantee. Dedicated teams that scale from a small squad into a multi-year product partnership. Multi-year results. A sales platform rebuilt ahead of a $4 million seed round and 5 times faster delivery. And an HR platform scaled to 10,000 plus daily users over 4+ years. thoughtbot combines product strategy, UX research, and engineering in a single team that works directly with founders on what to build and what to skip. It's a fit for early stage products that need their risk taken out before heavy in-house hiring begins. Deep Ruby, on-Rails, and modern web expertise. Discovery and product strategy alongside engineering. An ML platform taken from MVP to 3,500 plus users and roughly $9 million in annual revenue. Vention assembles dedicated engineering teams that integrate directly into your organization, covering software, cloud, AI, data engineering, and QA under one roof. Speed is the draw. It can stand up a production-ready team faster than most companies finish a single hiring round. 3,000 plus professionals across engineering disciplines. Cross-functional teams built through a single partner. Work spanning a lease-to-own fintech platform and an agentic RAG system on Claude and AWS. Simform focuses on platform engineering, DevOps, and cloud-native infrastructure for companies whose bottlenecks are in operations rather than features. It tends to suit complex SaaS products that need faster deployment, greater reliability, and greater scale. Kubernetes-based infrastructure and managed engineering teams. Partnerships across AWS, Azure, and Microsoft technologies. A 50% cut in manual reporting for one client and a 10 times faster app launch on Azure for another. Miquido designs AI-powered products, building generative AI, recommendation systems, and intelligent automation into the architecture from the start, alongside its web and mobile work. It's a strong match when AI is central to the product rather than an afterthought. AI is built into the product architecture from day one. Generative AI, recommendation engines, and mobile apps. A mobile banking app has passed 1 million downloads with a 4.8 star rating. Netguru embeds designers, product specialists, and engineers into your team at once, removing the handoff friction that slows most digital product work. It runs especially well for marketplaces, e-commerce, and consumer apps that iterate quickly. Strength in marketplaces, e-commerce, and consumer products. AI consulting to find and ship practical use cases. A 150 plus specialist team, extension across engineering, data, and design. Future processing pairs technology. Consulting with software delivery, built for organizations modernizing legacy systems rather than starting from scratch. Cloud readiness checks and architecture assessments are part of how it works, not optional extras. Strength in manufacturing, insurance, finance, and logistics. A consulting-first approach that reduces mid-project scope changes, an 83% cut in process execution time, and a 72% drop in infrastructure costs for clients. Choosing a product engineering company means finding a team that understands your product and can carry it through the next rebuild. The model's value is simple. A standing team that compounds knowledge as the product grows without the churn of contractors or the overhead of permanent hiring. The real test happens before the work begins. Do they run discovery before quoting? Does their proof extend past launch? Is the contract clear on scaling IP and ownership? That's what tells you whether the partnership will hold when the roadmap changes.